Hello, how are you guys? This is Jaman from Future IT Vision. Today I will be showing you how to connect uh, MariaDB, database with Selenium Java. Java with Java code, so you can use in the Selenium. Earlier, my one of the video for MariaDB, I was showing how to install and configure the MariaDB and query some simple query in the database in our local machine. Now I will be do JDBC connection, which is will be helpful for to Selenium 2. So let's do, guys. Start from the here. So I have previously I have the framework I'm going to adding there. So let's start from there. So now for that I need a few things. So I'm going to create a first the connections. Okay. So in this connection, what I'm going to do? So let's create a package in inside the Java. We call new Java class Java package. Sorry. That's my bad. New Java package name is, I'm going to give simple the db. Okay. So now inside db I'm going to create a class for db connection class. Okay, where so I'm going to say db connection. Okay, so class name. So we have a db connection class. So what we need for db connection? First of all, I have a db connection class. Then I need one more is new Java class we need, which is called query class. So I'm gonna give the name queries, same as like you know what I said. Queries class. Okay, so I give the name the queries class, guys. So cool. So I have two class. One is the db connection, one is the queries class. So now what you need? So we need for simple things. So we need a uh, dependency, Maven dependency. So I already have here, you can go MariaDB Maven dependency. So what you can write down over here, you can write down MariaDB Maven dependency. Any database, it will be same procedure, guys. Any database you want to create connect to JDBC, same procedure. If a SQL database, the same thing. So I say MariaDB dependency over here. So I'm going over here and I copy this one. Okay, copy this one. So I have already, so now I'm getting POM XML file, I'm adding my this. Okay, so if you want SQL, so you have to do this one. So I don't need this one, I just keeping on the side. So I do MariaDB. So I have a MariaDB dependency I already had. So cool. So now what you need, DB connection. So inside the DB connection, what you have to do, make sure the test connection. So I'm going to create a as a public static void, because why I'm create a static method over here, because we're gonna call, we don't need to over and over the collect the connection. This is one time when you start run the, before run the test is connected, so that's why. So I can call okay test, whatever you guys call. I like to call okay test to make sure that test is okay. Okay test, and okay cool. And so and then we have to create a object of statement. uh, so so how are we going to do that? So first we need to create a connection. So now create object of connection. See, connection. Okay, I say here connection here as a connection or con. I small is con. Okay, I say connection or con. Okay, or con or I like to provide like that. Equal, I provide a null. Okay, cool. So now we create object connection. Then now we need to create a statement. So statement, and I'm gonna say empty equal none. Okay, so we get object over here, object of statement. So this statement should be for executing. So that's why we're creating. Now we have to create an object of result set. Okay, it mentions a cursor of the points. So the now how with the result, so we're gonna say do that result set. So we're gonna set result set equal null. Okay, so we have a statement, we have a result set object for that. So now we have to call, so what do we say, class. So this part, whatever I'm doing, you can go here in MariaDB over here connection. So this page you can find out here what you're gonna find out. So over here you see over here they have class name, this legacy, this is they're talking about what this does the work. So I'm gonna copy paste guys from here. Okay, save my time. Okay, this I'm saving my time. I'm copy here and I just provide it. Okay, this. So now unhandled exception I have here, so no problem. So over here add the exception of my signature. Okay, cool. So now you already have my class for JDBC for MariaDB. So now next we have to open a connection. Okay, so open a connection, what you have to do, very easy, con. Okay, there's things con, then you say equal, before that we're gonna copy paste from here something using driver manager. So this is just copy pros here guys, you don't have to memorize these things, or if you know, just go over here. Okay, so it's a connection, you already create an object, so you don't need, so I call this, okay, connection. Now you just import it, JavaSQL, and get connection, unhandled exception, and go over here and say add exception signature. Problem finished. So now over here, check out the local host. Okay, this is the host. So who is the host? So let's, if you see my earlier video for config, earlier video for JDBC connection, sorry, install the config, so you will know this I have already here. So I'm going to go here, MySQL Pro. So this is the host, which is the local host. It's showing here my IP, which is localhost IP. So I do, beside that I say over here my localhost. So this is my localhost, and I go here and port number 3306, and DB. So which database you want to use? So I already have created database. I'm going to use same database. My database name is one of my student name I created through. So my database name is Kanjada. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use here. So I'm going to use here. So look, example, a database option. I say Kanjada. Okay. So this Kanjada. So if you try to connect, test connection is connect, it will be this database connection and all those tables. So now I'm going to here give the name Kanjada. So what is the password? Root password, and my password root. Okay, root. So this is the password I provided. So this is, we create our, can open the connection for that. So now we have to make sure that it's find out. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna system open lead, we're gonna say that db connected, okay, connected, or db connected. Okay, so now just when it's a printout machine, now we have to execute, after connected we have to execute our query. Am I right? For that, what I have to do, this equal connection con, am I right, con, then you say, okay, then create statement, create statement. Okay, create statement. Good. So it will be execute a query, it will be execute a query. Now we need to find the result, we have to compare the result, whatever we are asking for. Okay, so we're gonna say result set equal statement, okay, dot get got execute query, sorry, got execute query. And what is the query? Query should be, query should be is not here. We're gonna create a parameterize here query. Okay, so now we want to query, not now, when I will call this method. Okay, this is a query. Now we want to print out this, so we want to print out what, make sure that what result we are getting. So for that, we want result set, then dot get string, cool, and that got string okay, then plus we want result set. Okay, we want result set dot get string, which is 2. Okay, the column 1 index we want, and then we want plus we want we just making concatenate here, make sure not concatenate, it's parameterize, make sure that result set, okay, result set dot get string 3, okay, this, and double quotation plus result set dot get string, we want 4, double quotation, keep adding, plus result set dot get string 5. Okay, we want 5 column 1 index, that's why we provided the string. So now we already have until 5 that. Okay, cool. Okay, so now we have this. Now we have to create our this. So now I figure this set. Now I say if let's put some condition, so make more more specific things to get connection. What is the result exception handling for purpose? Result set, if result set equal, it should be inside method. Why I'm doing outside method? Sorry. If result set equal then next color inside null. Okay, so now try catch, we try catch exception A. Okay, so what you want to try here, we want to try result set dot close. Okay, we have this. So here we have exception. Cool, we have a try catch things. Catch. Okay, this is the if else statement. Okay, so now from that I say if statement not equal null. Cool, if statement try catch. Okay, try catch should be smt dot close. Okay, an exception A. Okay, cool. So this is done this. Now I say if con not equal null. Okay, try catch. Okay, so con dot close. Okay, and I'm gonna say exception over here, exception. Okay, so now our DB connection class is ready. That's what's for DB connection. Now we need a chorus. We need to chorus to verify some result. How are we gonna do that? So let's go here, our database. What you gonna do? I'm gonna say here example simple queries. Select star from worker info where name equal Khan. Okay, I try to find out. Let's see. So I have this 12 Khan. So I want to verify these simple things. I want to make sure that with this Khan name and exist. Okay, and you can later you can add. So now I'm gonna keep this. So now these things we need to query in query class. So what we can do in query class? Go to the query class I created. Query class. Okay, cool. This is my query class here. So in the query class, I'm gonna simple public static string, call this string, give is table name, the input string name values worker info. Okay, so worker info. Okay, worker info. Okay, cool. And so what is the string we're gonna name is a q, like query q equal, what is this? So you already have, oh sorry, I'm doing copy, so I'm gonna copy from here. This is my query and done, and this done. So now we need return statement, I think, for because this is not a void method. So return, I want return q. Okay, cool. Problem finished. So we already have my query class. Okay, we already query class. Now we need to create a one test class. Okay, we need to create a test class and make sure that our JDBC connection is connected, MariaDB JDBC connected, and our user password is through connected JDBC connection, MariaDB JDBC connection happen, and execute the query, and I want to see the result. Okay, so now go to the test and Java, create a new package. Package name is db test. Okay, package name is db test. Inside the db test, create a new class is Java class. Class name you can give also db test. Okay, cool. So I already have db test class. So now we want to create our test. So we need a testing generation here for test class for testing purpose. Then I can say public void. I'm gonna say verify worker info. Okay, verify worker info worker info table info. Okay, this is our test method we created, and now our test method already created. Now we need to call the before that we need to call our class over here. So we're gonna say protected db connection. Okay, protected db connections, cool. Then I say protected we need query class, cool. Now we're gonna call here. Now we're gonna say db connection we're gonna say db connection dot should be so I think we no need to create the call object here, but anyway, so db connection dot of the test query. I don't think so we need this over here, but let's try. So after test query octa test, so now query class dot worker info. Okay, so now over here exception handle. Okay, good. So we no need this to call over here. Okay, so now our test is ready here. Okay, test is ready here. That's it. So let's run the test and see the result, guys. Okay, before the run the test, let's again example. This is the query class, simple query class. You can just copy paste and use it. You have to change the MariaDB. You have to use the SQLDB. Go find out from the SQLDB like com, I think com.com and all is similar if you want. And over here should be com SQL .jdbc driver. Nothing else. I have to change here. So similar things. So over here we did that, and query class, simple query. If you want to add one more query, just copy paste and do one more query. Example, you can one more query here, worker info by ID. Am I right? So here you can say ID equal, what is the name? ID equal 12. Am I right? 12. Column is finished. Okay, so that's it. So now we are calling the worker info. Now if you want another test, very simple. I'm just showing, guys. We run multiple tests. Okay, let's see what happens. And worker in table info by ID, and over here query class, then worker info and move the worker info dot worker ID. Problem finished. Now I will run the both test. Okay, guys, if I run the background class and run the DB test. Okay, current position is before is the first row. Okay, DB connection. So let's run one by one, guys. Let's see what happens. Okay. So DB connection. The position of first row over here. Let's showing that what problem opening here. So let's find out first something problem here showing that current position is the before the first row. Okay, current position before the first row. Okay, so now what I did here, I have no idea. Let's check. So if I say here problem is here. Okay, so result set. I know. I did huge mistake over here. So I said system out println. So I said result set. Okay, it should be okay. Let's do here. So okay, so I say over here result set, cool, then equal, I'm sorry why I'm late, equal smt dot execution query. Okay, execution query, and it's the query. Okay, query. This is done. Then supposed to issue print out, and then second we have to do okay, let's put inside the some loop. Okay, so we're gonna say while, I say while result set dot next okay, when I say result dot next, then okay, so let's run, let's see what happened. So DB test, I don't see any problem here. So run the DB test from DB, should be problem will be solved. Okay, no such a column. Okay, so our query is executing but comparing result having problem. Okay, so problem having here comparing result because I'm not putting the space, I think enough space. So let's see why I did not put the enough space. So if I did here, so I say so column why I did not give result one. Great. One, two, three, four, should be enough. Let's run again. Try to figure out, guys, because my result is getting So now 12k can null. So okay, we need a one more thing. So 7 is again same things. Okay, cool. The test giving not a space 12 can null. So problem is here not giving space. Okay, so no problem. Give a space, give a space, give a space, give a space here, giving a space here, and that should be okay. There you go. No such a column. So let's see what I have. 12 can null null null. Why is happening like that? The comparing, but I think the connection is okay. The problem is here column level. So let's say again what's going on over here. So I see statement. So DB connected. That's good. And result, which is the, see over here the result, MySQL JDBC organization, which is this one, which is a printout. Print out this. Okay, that's good happening. Code is executing good. So now so now problem is here. So now we say result set dot next. I say system out println result set dot get string. Okay, very good. Problem is I find out already. Dot get string. I don't need this thing actually. I copy paste wrongly. Sorry guys. Okay. Dot get string 1 plus that this. Okay. So now should be okay. Now should be good to go, I think. What we need? What is the error happening here? Okay, one more. It's too much here. One. Okay. Good, guys. So what happened? So DB connected MariaDB JDBC, and our execute query is we find out 12 can null null over here. Example 12 can null null, and we which is the compare it. Okay, to run test, and both are pass. Okay, guys, by ID and by this both are pass. So that's it for guys today. Remember that this is MariaDB connection with JDBC connection in Java, and it is for also Selenium. You can use for Selenium for execute purpose. It's both same way you can do that. So see you soon guys, and code will be in our Git. You can take a look from there. Thank you so much for guys, and see you soon.